As a pediatrician and parent, I really have to stress how important it is to prevent whooping cough through vaccinations. The DTaP vaccine protects little children. Doses are given at 2, 4, and 6 months, and then boosters later on. And we now recommend the Tdap booster during every pregnancy so the mom can pass those vital antibodies to her newborn. In addition to vaccines, good preventive measures include keeping your children at home when they're sick to avoid spreading the illness, practicing good cough etiquette, like covering your mouth and frequent hand washing. For household members exposed to whooping cough, your doctor may also prescribe antibiotics to prevent transmission.